Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top best search tweets, iOS 11 up to iOS 15. The first tweak is called Emoji Favorites Enabler, and this is crowd with iOS 7, 8, and 9. This tweak enables a expanded set of lights of hidden preferences. Alright, next tweak is called Rescale 2. So this tweak is pretty new. I think it's about like a year old. Originally came out maybe close to a year ago, and this was like the best thing. It still is the best tweak of what it does. So it allows you to pretty much change your screen resolution in like a safe way that doesn't mess with your system files and gives you like a boot loop. So this is the best way if you guys want to change your screen resolution for whatever reasons. This is the tweak to go by, and it was just updated. That says say supports at least iOS 9 to 14, iOS 8 untested. Also might support iOS 15 or 16. It doesn't really specifically say, but it was just updated. So it supports every resolution of device after the that runs iOS 8 or later. If these resolutions that does support right here. And yeah, you have a little brother, you have upscale, system info, so there's a bunch of other tweaks that you can do it with, but this tweak is the best. I can guarantee that for changing your screen resolution. That's just in a safer way as well. So latest version, like I said, there you go. Fit status bar not being correctly on iOS 15 or newer. So I guess it does support iOS 15. We have Sensible and iOS 9 only. Sensible lets you use Touch ID sensors as a home button. We have Unity cydia FPS, so Unity 60 frames per second. Force Unity games apps render at custom frame rate 60 per 30. So supports iOS 15, Palera1n, and iOS 15 XinaA Jailbreak. Alright, next week's called Slide Cut and Slide Shortcuts via Space Key. Supports iOS 5 to 15. Alright, Translate-matic, quickly translate any text. So one of my favorite tweets that I actually use my main device. Supports iOS 13 to 16.2. So allows you to quickly translate any text. So it's good if you're speaking to someone on a daily basis who does not speak the same language as you. Alright, next tweak is called TikTok Lords, the best tweak for the TikTok app. So if you scroll down, you have the English. So it gives you all these features right here for TikTok. It does, 20 stars. So you do have to purchase it. I'm not sure how much money it's exactly, but if you want to, you get to buy it. So you get all those. You should get all those features, and this is the latest update, December 25th, 2022, which was like yesterday, as recording this video. And a pretty cool tweet called Injection Foundation, iOS 7 up, just UI kit tweets into Foundation apps. So this tweet's pretty cool. If you do have an app or game that's not loading, like a tweak that's not loading to an app or game, this tweak is a must install. Emoji port iOS 12 to 15.3, latest emojis for iOS 12 to 15.3.1. Also, do want to mention with Injection and Foundation, it is like a command line, I think, so it's gonna be a little hard just for the average user to just install and use it.